Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So right here we have the market sitting at $1.81 trillion. We're down 2% for the 24 hour. We have Bitcoin sitting at 40,000, Ethereum sitting at 2,700. We have XRP sitting at 79 cents. We're up 2% right there, 4% for the week. We have Cardano sitting at 99 cents. It's a good buying price. We have CRO sitting at 43 cents. We're up almost 0.5% for the day. So now let's get started with your market charts. We have Bitcoin again sitting at 40,000. As long as we don't run below that 40,000 support line, we should be fine. The technical says neutral on the buy. So we see right here, it says the Federal Reserve should buy Bitcoin, says Senator Cynthia Lummis, and that's from today. So it says the U.S. Federal Reserve should acquire Bitcoin and hold it on its balance sheet. So according to Lummis, once there is a statutory and regulatory framework, that will make a lot of sense since Bitcoin is completely decentralized. It's going to make it over time more ubiquitous. And I think it's going to be something that the Fed should hold on its balance sheet. So that's really bullish right there. Again, that news just came out. We have XRP. We have it sitting at 78 cents. It's a nice little pump right here. It's on the hourly chart. So if we look at our technicals, we have it saying that it's a neutral time to buy. So don't buy but don't sell. But me personally, I would say buy. Not a financial advisor. So let's take a look at Crypto.com. It says early direct deposit is now available for Crypto.com app users in the US. So it says here, get paid up to 5 days early. We are pleased to announce that the USD Fiat wallet now supports early direct deposit for paychecks and government payments. This service is currently available to users in the US. So it says by setting up direct deposits for their payroll, users can receive their funds 1 to 3 days early. We also support government payments, which can be received up to 5 days early. Once we receive payment instructions from the payer, we will deposit the funds into the user's account. Availability and timing can vary based on the payer and when we get payment instructions. So it says in a few simple steps, users are able to direct their payroll and government payments to Crypto.com and enjoy early access to their funds. Note, this limited time offer is offered by Crypto.com to Crypto.com app users in the US only. Only participants who successfully complete KYC verification and all other onboarding procedures in the Crypto.com app, set up direct deposit for the first time, and deposit at least a total of $400 USD via early direct deposit by March 16th will qualify to receive the USD $25 worth of USD on CRO. So again, it says crypto reserves the right to cancel this offer or amend its mechanics or rules at any time at our sole discretion. So that's really good. Again, 5 days early, up to 5 days early. So now let's take a look at this article. It says Morgan Stanley warns Ethereum could lose ground to Binance, Solana, and Cardano, making shift to proof of stake even more urgent. So earlier in my video, I stated Cardano's at 99 cents. Again, is a good entry point, but not a financial advisor, so do your own research. It says, in a report explaining the principles of Ethereum to investors, Morgan Stanley warned that the blockchain tech underlying most of the world's decentralized finance systems today could lose dominance to rising competitors owing to the network's high cost and volatility. Ethereum's high transaction fees create scalability problems and threaten user demand. What is Ethereum? High costs make Ethereum too expensive for small value transactions. So again, unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily used as a store of value or as an alternative currency for direct exchange, the Ethereum blockchain is used as the foundational tech for building decentralized platforms. NFTs are primarily stored and traded on the Ethereum network, and metaverse spaces like Decentraland are built on an Ethereum tech as well. So again, NFTs, you can build them on Solana, Cardano. So now it says Ethereum is used as a building platform rather than just for the trade of a single crypto. The blockchain carries a significant amount of data, much more than Bitcoin, which is just used for processing transactions. Carrying extra data increases the cost of running Ethereum, and those costs will increase as Ethereum grows. So let's say you're trying to buy something for $10. The gas fee might be $20. It might be even higher than what you're actually trying to buy the NFT for, whatever. So that's not good. So it says here, Biden, U.S. government are coming to regulate your Bitcoin. Those hoping to escalate the grips of the U.S. government through cryptos may not find the financial freedom they were expecting by the time the new rules are laid out. So I believe that the market will dip once the regulations come out, but in the long run, it's really bullish because it won't be as easy for people to lose their money. So it says for many investors who have bought into Bitcoin, the crypto doesn't just represent a once in a lifetime investment opportunity, it also represents financial autonomy. But a digital currency that can be transferred peer to peer without the oversight of banks or government regulatory agencies is attractive to both law abiding investors and bad actors alike. So it says here, no matter where one stands on the political spectrum, when a Western democracy with the free market economy begins tightening controls on banking activity, everyone should take notice. So again, this week, Canada Prime Minister Justin Trudeau enacted the country's Emergencies Act in response to a trucker protest that has clogged important U.S. trade arteries and has caused nuisance and disruption in the capital city of Ottawa. So says Trudeau's government to order financial institutions without court orders to freeze personal and corporate bank accounts connected to the protests. This is about keeping Canadians safe, protecting people's jobs, and restoring faith in our institutions. That's what he said according to the press conference. With this example while this example may be in the extreme, it does offer a glimpse into just how much power governments can have over financial transactions in their country. So again, this can be good, but like I said, in the long run, it'll make us wealthy. And again, we are some of the first people into crypto. So like it says up here, it could be a once in a lifetime investment opportunity. So it says Biden is expected to issue an executive order next week directing agencies across the government to study cryptos and a central bank digital currency known as CBDC and to come up with a government-wide strategy to regulate all digital assets. So hopefully they could come up with something that's real good for us, and I hope the market doesn't drop as much, but we'll see. But that is all that we have for the market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, click the like and subscribe. Thanks, and until next time.